Hello everyone. Good morning to all. I hope all are doing well. Today there is one gentleman with me and he gonna perform few steps of yoga, and those step of yoga will become really very important in making your health well. So let's stick with this video and just find out what kind of yoga steps are being performed by this gentleman.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, let's start. I would like to start with first Bhujangasan. Okay, make sure that you are having empty stomach so that you will get more benefits from it. So initially, you have to be relaxed in this position. Just do this for 1 minute. Now, this is our core activity of Bhujangasan. Your hand should be like this here, this side. Now, slowly and steady. Make sure your head and eyes also at upside. Breathing is going on. You should do this as much as possible. Now come to original position, rest position. And always just while you are getting up, just get up like this. So that was the position for the Bhujangasan. I hope that you have understood. And at least you have to do this for 3 or 4 times. Okay?
Um, could you please just let us know to our audience what are the benefits of doing this exercise?
So yoga itself has so many benefits, but for this particular purpose, you will get benefits for your backside. Now you will reduce your stiffness, so it will be very flexible for you. Now you can just look at me. So I don't have any belly fat. Okay, this
Yes.
this may be reason for that. I have been doing this continuously. So I don't know how many years, but this is the benefit what I gain, and you can also get it. So basically, you will get benefit from your backside. Most of the IT people and other people also housewives also, they work like this laptop whatever you are using, but your posture will be like it is always like you are coming to forward side, back, front side. Now because of this pose, you will be your stiffness will be reduced and it will be flexible for you. So this is very good benefit, and it will you will get, this is the investment with zero premium. This is the premium, this poses this, including Bhujangasan, this is the premium for your uh, health benefit, health investment.
All right. I think this is really very good step of yoga which help to many people who are working on the same place. By the way, let me tell you guys one thing. I also had some pain, and I take assistance from this gentleman, and now I'm feeling really better, and that is why I requested him to make a couple of videos so that you can also get benefit from his videos. And let me tell you one interesting thing. A few of the overseas people took a certain kind of the learning from this gentleman, and they also found a really great benefit in their health. So I'd like to tell you, just stay tuned with us up to the last. The gentleman is gonna show you furthermore steps in the yoga. Just continue.
One thing I want to share with you, whenever you are performing this activity, just you should have any mat or something you have at your home or office, whatever you have. But don't do this at open place like this. We are doing this activity at garden, but you should have a mat, and make sure that as I told you that you should have empty stomach, and do this very peacefully. Then you will get more benefit from that. And so many asanas are there in Indian cultures. You can see, you can observe, most of you might have heard something or watched somewhere or YouTube. So many poses are there, but it is not thing, it is not visible thing. You have to perform this, you have to take experience of these things, and you can just watch at me, look at me. I'm getting much benefit from that. So I want to request you, all of you, that you should do this activity on daily basis. Thank you.
All right, so guys, let's tune with us for the next video. We will come up with really such kind of good videos which will help you to manage your health. So take care. Bye bye.